Jack's here with Anjanati from Legend Brands. We'd like to welcome you to our new YouTube channel where we're going to talk about all things cleaning and restoration.
Don't forget product launches.
What about tips and tricks?
Comparison videos.
Commercials.
Doesn't commercials fall under product launches?
No, it's like totally different.
Really? Totally? Back at you.
Hey, and what better way to kick it off than with our new all-surface extraction tool. This high-strength stainless steel two-piece lightweight design not only reduces storage space, but also fatigue and risk of repetitive motion injuries. The all-surface extraction tool is designed to maximize water extraction on soft or hard surfaces when used with a truck mount or portable flood extractor, like the Dri-Eaz HVE 3000. Unique from its predecessor, the all-surface extraction tool uses a 1.5-inch tube. Paired with the HVE 3000 and our new 25-foot hose, you can remove standing water from both carpeted and hard surface areas faster than ever. We also redesigned the glide system to a Delrin material glide on the head that allows the wand to be used on natural stone, ceramic, or porcelain tile and grout, even polished concrete and vinyl floors. Now, we all know that if the glide becomes worn, you risk damaging surfaces when extracting, which is why I love the fact that our new glide requires no tools to replace. Simply pull on a corner of the glide and pop it off. Reverse the steps for the install. The simplicity of this design, it's pretty cool.
Did you just use the word cool to describe a product feature?
I think he did.
What, is cool out of style?
I wouldn't say out of style, it's just like, I prefer something more elevated. How about enchanting, entrancing, exceptional, exemplary, exquisite?
Yeah, I like cool.
Yeah, me too.
Cool it is.
For sure.
Legend Brands.